There's one limitation of AI is the size of the prompt, right? We all know it. It can get in like 5,000, 10,000, maybe 16,000. There's limit
Mhm,
there, and
mhm,
we nobody knows if that limit is going to grow and if it's possible to make it unlimited. So right now there is some theory, but nobody knows, and it will take time. So in this world we're now, that's the limit, and because of that limit, you can't really apply AI to traditional software because traditional software has a lot of code. Even to do app has more code than AI can digest, even to do app, right? But any proper app has like 100 times more code than it can digest.
mhm,
And why Mars can fix that? Because in Mars we created this abstraction layer using microapps. So we do not show all the code to AI. We show all the microapps to AI, and that's why there is not so much to show. And
mhm,
even developer doesn't really know exactly what's happening inside of the microapp and doesn't have to know. Same with AI, and because of that, and also we have a lot of AIs for every microapp. So basically, we have one AI that's on top that's helping you to orchestrate microapps, and it's easy for it to do it because it doesn't operate with a lot of code. It operates with business logic, just with the names and specifications of the microapps, right? And that's not so much. Uh, and then if you want to change something within the microapp, you use another AI that's sitting inside of the microapp and that knows the code only inside of that microapp. And in the microapp,
mhm,
we have a limit. So you can't build microapp that doesn't fit into the AI model. Right? So
mhm,
if you build it larger than the model, you have to figure out a
mhm,
way to split it into two, or you can have a micro app that has two micro apps inside. So that's how you can split the logic, and by doing so, we ensure that every micro app can have AI in it, its own model that's fine tuned, that knows all the usages of this micro app. So whenever you take this micro app anywhere, like you used this reviews micro app, I used it, and 100 people used it, its AI is learning on all those usages. It's fine tuning itself on all those usages. And now, when the person
mhm,
101 comes in and tries to do something, this AI not just knows itself, it knows all the possible ways of using it. So, in this model, it can suggest you a better way of using it than you would come up yourself, even because it's aggregated knowledge on how everybody's using it, right? And it's possible for
mhm.
us, like we're not limited by the size of the AI models just because we limit the size of the micro app when it comes to the lines of code, so you can't make it longer than
Mhm.
X.